Hi there, my name is Lars, and today I've been at the playground with my Pavo Pico, and yeah, FPV things happened and I crashed into stuff and bumped around, and some props got damaged, scuffed up, and I brought my Pavo Pico back home, wanted to replace the props, and had some issues pulling the props off the axle. So I figured out a way how to do it more easy, and I wanted to share it with you so you don't have to get through the pain and hurt of getting those props off the axle. I haven't found any sources that do it the way I figured out, so here we go. In the case your props, you want to throw away your props anyway, I found it the most easy thing to just lift the wings up. This is, try to not bend your axle, those 1.5 millimeter axles, and so right now you can more easily grip the motor, the bell, and just twist it off. This way it's quite easy. So this one is already loose, and this too, and this one is, maybe you can see the axle is still completely through. Just grab it, pull the wings up, once again pull the wings up, and gently twist and pull the prop off. So there we go, as easy as this, and I hope this might serve you. Yeah, that's it.